Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you easy recipe of brinjal potato curry using Instant Pot. For this, here I have taken long shaped brinjal. You can take any brinjal of your choice, the smaller one or the bigger one. Remove the upper portion and cut it. Now cut the brinjal into smaller pieces, and the brinjal is pretty good from inside. Now cut it into further half and divide it into smaller pieces. After cutting, make sure to soak these into the fresh water, otherwise they will turn brown. Once I will cut all of those, this is how I have soaked into the water. Now we'll move on to the next process. Into the Instant Pot, set the saute function for 20 minutes. Make sure the pressure is high. After setting it, now into the Instant Pot liner add 1.5 teaspoon of oil. Let the oil hot. After that, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Once it starts crackle, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute it for about a couple of seconds. Once it is turned aromatic, now add chopped garlic 2 tablespoons and saute it until it turns slightly brown in color. Once it is turned brown, add 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes or until it turns aromatic, and then add 1 small size chopped onion and saute it until it turns brown or slightly soft. Once it is soft, as you can see here, spread it evenly and then start adding the dry ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Make sure to use little more quantity of asafoetida into this potato brinjal curry, and now give it a quick mix. After that, add 1 chopped green chili or according to your taste, and then add diced potatoes. We have to add the hard vegetables first, and now saute it for about couple of minutes, and after that add the cut brinjal. Remove it from the water and directly add it into the potatoes, and now saute it for about a minute or so. Once all the ingredients mix together, at this point add 1 small or medium sized tomato and give it a quick mix. After that, add half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste and mix one more time. Now add 2 tablespoons of water. We have added the water so that the dry ingredients won't stick to the bottom of the Instant Pot liner, although the brinjal has a tendency to leave the water. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or according to your taste and finish it with some cilantro or dhania, and now give it a quick mix. After that, close the lid of Instant Pot, and now the whistle position is on sealing. After that, cancel the saute function and select the pressure cook or manual function and set it for 2 minutes, and then I will show you. And here I have left it for about 8 minutes to release the pressure naturally, and then cancel the function, open the whistle and then carefully open the lid, and now you have seen the brinjal curry is ready. You can check it while pressing the brinjal and while pressing the potatoes. In a minute I will show you. This is how you can check it. Although it is ready at this point, but I want to make it little dry. As you can see, it has little water, so I am going to cook it for another 2 minutes. For this, again select the saute function for 2 minutes. After setting the saute function, keep on stirring, and then this is how the brinjal potato curry is ready to serve. cancel the saute function. And here I have served the brinjal potato curry. You can serve it with some Indian flatbread, puris or parathas or as a side dish. This is the requested video from one of my subscribers. Hope you will get the answer at how you can easily prepare the brinjal potato curry using Instant Pot. If you have any questions or if you want me to make any special dish, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this easy recipe of potato brinjal curry, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.